I'm Dimple Jain with our Jain Corporation and currently own 2 KFC restaurants. I've been in the KFC system for about 7 years now, but just recently had experience with Collectramatic. We started using those about 2 years ago, and I'm absolutely in love with Collectramatic. Most important thing is your cooks cannot screw up the chicken even if they wanted to. So, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Tell us about your pressure frying experience.
We've been using Winston Collectramatics ever since we've had them. They are maintenance free, they're idiot proof, they last forever. We got cookers in our store we've had 20 plus years. They're the most wonderful thing that came along.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate your support.
Thank you.
And look forward to a long-term partnership.
Well, we'll be around.
How's it going, everybody? My name is Tom Rojas. I've been working for KFC for 10 years. I became a general manager 5 years ago. And this is my first convention, and I feel really excited about it. My store, we're still using the Collectramatic machines. I still get customers, like all customers, that they know the difference in between the old equipment and the new equipment that the culinary used to use. And they feel the difference, and they tell me they feel that my store, like they drive all the way, like miles away through my store, because they taste like the difference between the chicken from other stores.
My name's Roger Fye. I'm Director of Operations for a KFC franchisee in Freeport, Illinois. I've been with the KFC system since roughly 1988. Collectramatic Fryers is our choice of fryers, always has been. We went from cooking in pots to Collectramatics, and my franchisee told me to never change from those fryers ever. They're very simple to maintain. I love the product that it produces, and I have nothing but great things to say about Collectramatic. I work on them, I do a lot of maintenance, and they're very, very bulletproof when it comes to a frying machine. So I thank them for their partnership in our business for all these years.
My name is Kevin Schlutz. I'm a franchisee from Iowa. My father and grandfather were in the business, and we've been using Collectramatics for about 45 years. We purchased the 720s when they first came out, and have used the trade-in programs to upgrade those over the years, bought new ones, and in 1982 we bought the company market in Des Moines, and those stores had 10-3 cookers and henny pennies in them, and we were not very happy about that, and we kept complaining to our corporate representatives, and it turned out that they bought some stores from Scott's Foods in Georgia, and they made an offer to us that they would trade us the Collectramatics that they had inherited for our 10-3s and henny pennies that we inherited. And it was a wonderful deal. It worked out very well, and we were just tickled to death to be back to 100% Collectramatics. And we were then, we are now, and we continue to use them. They just last forever.
Hi, I'm Dana Pinnell. I'm with Dana Enterprises in Central Ohio, and I've been in the KFC business for 38 years. And we made the decision 2 or 3 years ago, after looking at the P&L statements and our high maintenance repair costs, to decide to try to go for Collectramatic Fryers after talking with Fred Bauer, another franchisee that has went with all Collectramatics. So my Director of Operations, Bryant Davis, over a 2 or 3 year period of time, has been working with Angie Kirby. And we now have 10 Collectramatics in our restaurants in 5 stores, and we're on the verge of moving up to 12 and being completely Collectramatic fryers in our restaurants. And we're extremely happy with the decision that we made, and we're really looking forward to the savings in our maintenance repair costs. Thank you, and I hope it works out for you too.